Picking the right mini split can feel like a high-stakes game of Tetris, but I am here to help you slot the right piece into place. I am the HVAC repair guy, and my perspective comes from 17 years in the industry and a background as a nuclear power electrician. When you are dealing with reactors, good enough does not exist, and I bring that same technical scrutiny to your home's cooling and heating. Today, we are tearing down the matchup between two heavy hitters in the premium category, the Gree Vireo Gen3 and the Klimaire KMHR Hyper Heat. When we look at the build quality, these units are designed to handle more than just a light breeze. Both models feature coated coils, which is a mechanical necessity in my book. This hydrophilic coating prevents the corrosive effects of salt air and moisture from eating your aluminum fins alive. While both are manufactured in China, Gree is a manufacturing powerhouse that builds its own compressors, whereas Klimaire is a solid integrator of high-end components. Efficiency is where the technical data starts to separate the pros from the amateurs. The Gree Vireo Gen3 comes in with a strong 23.0 CR2 rating, but the Klimaire KMHR Hyper Heat edges it out slightly at 24.0 ER2. My research shows the Klimaire KMHR 12,000 BTU typically retails for around $950 to $1,100 for the equipment, with a total installed price averaging $3,000 to $3,800. The Gree Vireo Gen 3 is a more significant investment, with the outdoor condenser and head unit retailing between $1,400 and $1,600, leading to an average installed price of $3,800 to $4,600. You are paying a premium for the Gree name and their widespread dealer network. The warranty battle is a dead heat on paper, with both Gree and Klimaire offering a 5-year parts warranty and a 7-year compressor warranty. Neither model includes a unit replacement warranty, which means if the compressor fails, you are swapping the part, not the whole box. It is a standard premium tier protection plan that keeps you covered for the long haul. The verdict is that I am declaring the Klimaire KMHR Hyper Heat the winner. While Gree is a legendary name in the industry, the Klimaire KMHR gives you a higher CR2 rating and equivalent warranty protection for a significantly lower entry price. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on hvacforbeginners.com. Before you go, I want to share something important with you. Every month, Enduring Freedom Ministries provides food to over 1,700 people, but a meal is only the first step towards stability. That's why we are building Ezra's Place, a new tiny home community designed to help families get back on their feet for good. I've started a fundraiser right here on the channel to help. Every dollar you give builds a future. Click the link in the description or the donate button below. Thanks for being part of this project. I'll see you in the next one. In